Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set reminder on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the Notes app on your smartphone, just like that. From here, just tap on the plus icon over here. Now just tap on title and write your title, just like that. And once you write your title, just tap on the done icon over here. Now, at the bottom left corner, just tap on the alarm icon. Now, just tap on date and set a date for your reminder, like the 30th of April. And if you tap on time, you can set a time for your reminder. Just like that. Now, once you set your time, just tap on OK. Now, to save this reminder, just tap on Done. Now, as you can see, we have successfully set a reminder on our smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can set reminder on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.